स्क्रीन विजिबल है सबको? ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट। आज का टॉपिक है पॉपुलेशन, राइट? तो पॉपुलेशन में मैंने पहले आप लोग को इंट्रोडक्शन बताया था। इंट्रोडक्शन में वी मस्ट सी कि इकोलॉजी क्या होता है। तो इट इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम द ग्रीक वर्ड्स oikos मीनिंग होम एंड लॉजी मीनिंग स्टडी। So home is what it is, any place where abiotic and biotic factors lives together. So ecology is what it is, study of interaction between biotic and abiotic factors. You know, this levels of ecology starts at the organismic level. So what is the basic level of ecology? It is organism, and it ends with what? Biome or ecosystem. This chapter deals with population, right? Organism and population, जिसमें हम डिस्कस करते हैं पहले population. So we'll start with population directly. एक सेकंड। Okay, let's start. So population is what? It is group of organisms of any species living in a common geography, which share or compete for similar resources and potentially can interbreed among themselves. मैंने बताया था attributes. So it is what? Organisms. Organism, a single organism has what? Birth and death and sex. But a population has what? Birth rate, death rate, and sex ratio. What is birth rate? It is number of births per capita per year. Number of birth is nothing but it is change in population due to birth. Birth rate, natality, also referred to as natality, it is number of birth per capita per year. Right? So NCERT में they have given an example. In a pound of 20 lotus flower, after a year it increased to 28, so you'll get 0.4 births per lotus per year. Per capita death rate, it is number of deaths per capita per year. D is equal to death rate equals to change in population through death upon original. Example is 40 fruit flies में 36 remained after a week. That means 4 died, so it is 4 upon 40, which is equal to 0.1 death per fruit fly per week. Sex ratio is what? It is number of females per capita base. So they have given an example. In a population of 60% are what males, to 40% would be females. Age distribution you should learn. Any population can be divided into 3 specific age groups. These are what? Pre-reproductive 0 to 14, reproductive 14 to 45, and post-reproductive 45 to death. Carry on plotting this. Agar if the percent individuals, यहाँ पे she have not written properly. If the percent individuals of different age groups is plotted for the population, the resulting structures would be what? Age pyramid. The shape of this pyramids, the shape of this pyramids reflects the growth status of the population. Age pyramid is of human population. It is always upright shape, expanding. Less developed or poorly developed countries you will get. जिसमें poor pre-reproductive is more than reproductive and reproductive is more than post-reproductive. Stabilizing population में you will get pre-reproductive is almost equal to reproductive and post-reproductive is less than that. Declining, it is spindle or urn shape. Right? So declining or spindle shape. Population density, next topic. Number of individuals per unit area is also known as what? Population density. It also referred to as population size, designated as N. Sometimes it is difficult to sometimes it is difficult or inconvenient to count the number. In such cases, relative densities are used. The examples where relative densities are used are, first example is what? It is 200 Parthenium and a banyan tree in the same area. So according to the number, the population density of banyan tree is more. But when you will consider biomass or percent cover, so the population density of banyan tree is more than that of Parthenium. For bacteria, we count the number of bacterial colonies. For fish, we count number of fish in a single catch or trap. For tiger, we count pug marks or fecal pellets. Population density is affected by 4 factors. These are what? Birth rate, natality, right? Death rate, mortality, and immigration, where new organisms coming in, and immigration, organisms moving out or exiting. This diagram you should remember. If NT is the population density at time t, so population density a year after time t would be t plus NT plus 1, right? NT plus 1 equals to NT plus B plus I minus D plus E. The equation you should remember. So this equation is very important. NT plus 1 equals to NT plus B plus I minus D plus E. We'll talk about growth models. We have 2 growth models, exponential growth model and logistic growth model. Exponential growth model is hypothetical concept. It is not realistic, and logistic growth model is more real. Exponential growth model acts in resource when the resources are limited, and when the resources are unlimited. When the resources are unlimited, the growth model is what exponential, and logistic real one is given by Wall-Hurst-Pearl. Exponential growth model mein condition is unlimited resource. Graph, you should remember, the graph would be what? J shape. Formula is dn by dt is equal to Rn, where R is what? Intrinsic rate of natural increase. On an integral equation, this equation is what? Nt equals to n naught e raised to Rt. The R values for different organisms differs. R value for Norvarat is 0.015. For floorbeetle, it is 0.12. For human population in India in 1981, it is 0.0205. Right? इसके बाद you should remember that analogy exponential growth, why it is practically not possible. NCERT says कि if the exponential growth continues, if it is realistic, then even the slow organisms, slow reproducing organisms like elephant can grow enormously and will create havoc, right? So king and minister wali analogy you have to remember over here. Logistic growth model, scientist Wall-Hurst-Pearl, condition resource limited. Graph is sigmoid shape where you will get three phases: lag phase, log phase or exponential phase, and the last one is what? Stationary phase, right? The formula is what? dn by dt is equal to Rn times of k minus n by k, where k is what? Intrinsic rate of natural increase. K is what? K is carrying capacity. What is carrying capacity? It is that maximum population which is supported by any habitat through its space or resources or food. It depends on habitat, size of the organism, and lifespan of the organism. These 2 points we have considered. For A, we can consider that it is exponential because for point A, the n would be very, 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 very less than k. At that time, you will substitute it as 0. You'll get the formula as dn by dt is equal to Rn. For B point, n is approximately equals to k, dn by dt is equal to Rn times of k minus k by z. This equals to 0. The value would be what? Constant. Population interactions, last topic. No species in an ecosystem lives solely. Species interacts between them. So this interactions may result into benefit, which result in plus sign, may gets harmed, negative, and may gets neutral. Population interactions are of 6 types. These are mutualism, competition, parasitism, predation, commensalism, and amensalism. Mutualism, where both member gets benefited. Competition, both member gets harmed. Parasitism, one gets benefited, one gets harmed. Predation, one gets benefited, one gets harmed. Commensalism, one gets benefited, other is neutral. Amensalism, one gets harmed, other is neutral. So they may ask you questions like, in which interaction both species gets benefited, it is mutualism. Both gets harmed, it is competition. And if they'll ask you that interactions where at least one member gets benefited, this is equals to what? Mutualism, competition, mutualism, parasitism, predation, and commensalism. And the interactions where at least one gets harmed is what? Competition, parasitism, predation, and amensalism. Talking about predation, so benefit, the one who get benefited is predator, one who gets harmed is prey. Prudent means what? It kills when hungry. It kills when hungry. What are the examples of predation? Examples are lion eating deer, bird eating grain. Grain is seed, seed contains embryo. Cow eating grass. Your NCERT says these examples are no less than predation. This you should remember. Importance of predation. The importance of what? These are, it act as conduit of energy, which is it helps to transfer energy in different trophic levels. It help in controlling prey population. Example: prickly pear cactus introduced into Australia, spread very fast, created havoc. So to control its population, its natural predator moth were introduced. It helps in maintaining biodiversity. For example, in American Pacific coast, an important predator, disaster starfish, removed in a field experiment. It is observed that more than 10 subspecies of invertebrates become extinct. How prey avoids predation? You should remember. Animals or plants. So animals में first is camouflage. They blend with surrounding. Mimicry, pretend to be strong. Poison, monarch butterfly become distasteful. Caterpillar acquire its when it feeds on poisonous weed. Talking about plants, so plants में leaf has been modified into spines, stem has been modified into thorns. It is cactus and acacia example, and thorns का example is citrus and bougainvillea. Some chemicals are there which helps the plants to defend. These are nicotine, caffeine, quinine, strychnine, opium, etc. Calotropis, cardiac glycosides, which is uneasiness. Remember, 25% of insects are what? Phytophagous. Right? This you should remember. Next is what? Competition. Competition is the interaction where two closely related species compete for similar resources, which is limited. It is supported by Darwin. Population interspecific interaction. It is not necessary that it occurs between two closely related species. For example, in South American lakes, flamingo bird competes for zooplanktons with small fishes. Resources should be limited. In Galapagos Island, abundant tortoise stopped dating due to introduction of what? Goats, because they felt what? In hindrance. Example, नहीं ये तो बीच में आ गया. Introduction of goats, they felt interference hindrance. Examples are what? Barnacles found in the Scotland के coast पे. Balanus is superior, Cathamelus is inferior. New definition, it decreases R of each other. Supported by competitive release. The competitive release theory is what it is. The distribution of inferior species is limited due to superior one. When superior species is removed, the distribution of inferior one is increased. How competition can be avoided? Competition can be avoided by resource partitioning. Resource partitioning means what? It should have different time of feeding or different mode of feeding. Next is what? Next interaction is parasitism, where one member gets benefited, other is harmed. The one who gets benefited is parasite, the one who gets harmed is host. Benefit to parasite is what? It may be food or shelter. Parasite shows a property called as co-evolution. That means at the same time host and parasite evolves. Parasite evolves to attack and host evolves to defend. They are obligatory. The host is what? Parasitism shows obligatory relationship, which means what? Host is specific. It should have it will have what? One parasite, two host. That is Plasmodium and liver fluke. For examples, Plasmodium ka do host is what? Female Anopheles mosquito and human, and liver fluke has what? Snail and small fish. What are the types of parasitism on the basis of location? This could be what? Ectoparasite or endoparasite. Ectoparasite example is what? Leech on cattle, ticks on dog, and lice on humans, and copepod on marine fishes. Endoparasite example is what? Ascaris or flatworm. On the basis of dependency, this could be incomplete parasite or complete parasite. Complete parasite are completely parasitic. That means they cannot prepare their own food. So why? They lacks chlorophyll. The example is what? Striga or Orobanki. Incomplete parasite is what? Cuscuta. Parasite shows adaptations, some adaptations. These adaptations are what? Hooks and suckers are present for attachment. Salivary gland is absent. Sensory organ is absent. They are bisexual. They shows high capacity of regeneration. Effects of parasitism: life efficiency is decreased, reproduction capacity decreased, they get diseased and host is harmed. Next interaction is what? Amensalism, where penicillin is the example. First antibiotic production. ये extra है, you should not remember. नहीं भी याद रहेगा चलेगा, बस आपको amensalism में याद होना चाहिए कि एक को नुकसान होता है and the other one is what? It is neutral. Commensalism, one gets benefited, other is neutral. The examples are what? Cattle egrets and cattle egrets. So cattle egrets, they feeds on insects present in the soil plucked out by what? Cattle. Second is mango and orchids. Orchids growing as an epiphyte on mango. gets benefited and mango is neutral. Sea anemone and clownfish. Clownfish takes shade in tentacles of sea anemone and gets protected from predation. Whale and barnacle. Barnacle enjoys free ride on the back of whale. Mutualism both gets benefited. Mutualism is of two type. It is proto cooperation or symbiosis, right? यहाँ पे प्रोटो कोऑपरेशन का एग्जांपल दैट प्लोवर बर्ड वाला जो मैंने आप लोग को लिखा है, इसने सही से लिखा नहीं है. सिम्बायोसिस इज physically associated. Lichen is what fungi plus algae. This is the example of what symbiosis. Fungi plus algae, plant and pollinators. Off-risk plant, female honeybee. Off-risk orchid flower pretends to be female honeybee, and male bee comes to copulate. This is known as what pseudo copulation. This is an example of what sexual deceit. Brood parasitism. Cuckoo bird lays eggs in the neck, crows of next. Crow's nest. With time, cuckoo bird eggs uh, evolves in color and shape to avoid ejection. With this, we have done. Now we'll solve biohack. Okay, one by one. ये बायोहैक 2 में है ना. मुझे बायोहैक 2 निकालना पड़ेगा. बायो हैक है किसी के पास आप लोग में से? पीडीएफ फॉर्म में, 12th का।
नहीं सर।
मैं भेज रहा हूँ बट टाइम लग रहा है आईपैड में आने में। नहीं अयूब, है मेरे पास, मैं फोन से आईपैड में ट्रांसफर कर रहा हूँ, फोन में है मुझे। 2-5 मिनट लगेगा। नहीं हो रहा है तो बहुत टाइम लग रहा है। यहाँ से करेंगे। 82 कितना क्वेश्चन है? 130, 170। ठीक है, फटाफट आंसर करो आप लोग। पॉपुलेशन से दिख रहा है सबको? आयशा?
यस सर, एक सेकेंड, एक सेकेंड, एक सेकेंड। हाँ।
ये एक सेकेंड।
हाँ,
ये
80 वाला।
हाँ, क्वेश्चन नंबर 80 है ना, मुझे याद दिलाना, लिखाना है आप लोगों को, ठीक है? हर बैचेस में।
ओके।
ये मैंने पढ़ाया नहीं है, इसका आंसर आएगा ट्रू, फॉल्स, फॉल्स।
ओके।
Group of individuals resulting from asexual reproduction is not considered a population. Yes, it is considered a population. ये मैं आपको बाद में बताऊंगा। ठीक है, 81 का आंसर करो आप।
रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ एज पिरामिड फॉर ह्यूमन पॉपुलेशन इज नोन एज टाइप ऑफ
ए कौन सा
पिरामिड।
है? हाँ, एज पिरामिड है ये, तो ए का शेप क्या है?
एज पिरामिड एक्सपांडिंग।
यस,
एक्सपांडिंग
अपराइट।
है ना?
यस यस। सेकंड
सेकेंड वाला भी, एक सेकेंड, एक्सपांडिंग है।
नहीं, स्टेबलाइजिंग।
ओके,
एंड थर्ड
एक सेकेंड सर।
दिख नहीं रहा है क्या?
थोड़ा सा ब्लर है बट ठीक है। स्पिंडल शेप, स्पिंडल शेप।
हम्म, ठीक है। 82 नेचुरल सिलेक्शन ऑपरेट्स ऑन पॉपुलेशन लेवल। इसका आंसर भी याद रखना, ये भी मुझे लिखाना है, ठीक है।
ओके,
83 नहीं है सिलेबस में। 84 बताओ, कैरेट ग्रास साइंटिफिक नेम इज व्हाट?
पैराग्राफ।
हम्म,
नहीं
पार्थेनियम
याद है।
राइट।
पार्थेनियम, हाँ हाँ, सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी, पार्थेनियम।
85 population is always counted in numbers, true or false?
फॉल्स, शायद।
हाँ, क्योंकि पॉपुलेशन साइज को हमेशा नंबर काउंट करना पॉसिबल नहीं है, किसी किसी केसेस में ये नहीं हो पाता। आगे, population
इन
density
इंडिया।
of carrot grass is more than banyan tree in a forest.
पार्थेनियम की ज्यादा है ना, पार्थेनियम को ज्यादा है।
इन्होंने लिखा है population density of parthenium is more than banyan tree, true or false? False ना, banyan tree का ज्यादा होता है।
फॉल्स है।
हम्म।
ओके।
मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट मेजर ऑफ पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी इज बायोमास या फिर नंबर? सबसे अच्छा मेथड कौन सा है?
बायोमास।
नहीं, बेस्ट मेथड ऑफ पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी इज काउंटिंग नंबर्स, ठीक है। 88 नहीं करना है, 89 बताओ। द टाइगर सेंसस इज एनआर क्या?
इन आर डैश। सॉरी सर, ये गधा लड़का बैठा है मेरे बाजू में जिसको काम धंधा नहीं है, तो वही बैठा, मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती।
नो इश्यूज।
सॉरी सर।
अच्छा, टाइगर सेंसस हम दो चीजों से किससे करते हैं? पग मार्क्स एंड फीकल पैलेट्स।
हाँ, पगमार्कोसिकल पैलेट।
टेल मी, natality मींस व्हाट? natality
आई
is
डोंट
birth rate
नो।
ना? natality means birth rate.
यस।
Immigration is the number of individuals who left the habitat. False.
फॉल्स।
Who invaded the habitat, right?
यस।
Exponential growth is arithmetic या geometric? Arithmetic.
एरिथमेटिक।
Hmm.
एरिथमेटिक।
ये फॉर्मूले में dn by dt is equal to rn में what is r called as?
आर।
r is what?
नहीं पता सर।
आयशा, r intrinsic rate of natural increase.
सॉरी सर, मैंने पढ़ा नहीं अभी तक।
r value for Norway rat is 0.015, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट, हु इज नेक्स्ट? आप लोग ये क्वेश्चंस कर लोगे क्या बाकी के? क्योंकि 3 लोग हो आप लोग। एक बार
हाँ सर, हो
सॉल्व
जाएगा।
करो, सॉल्व करो, हम डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस बाद में करेंगे।